Today we're going to see how many potatoes we can get out of two 10-gallon grow bags. Stick around.
Oh, hey, welcome home.
Guys, do me a favor. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share us with all your friends. If you hate me, you hate what we're doing, send us to all your enemies, let me annoy them. But we need all the help we can get. Happy gardening and cheers, everybody. Like I said, today we're going to see how many potatoes we get out of two 10-gallon grow bags. Just to give y'all a little update here, you know, planted these late, just trying to get some extra potatoes in. Didn't know if we were going to get them to harvest or not. Started getting cold, so we put these in the greenhouse. They did get hit by the cold weather. You'll be able to see that the leaves were just mush. But check this out. Well, I can honestly say I'm very disappointed with the harvest, but like I said, I mean, at least we got a few. I probably didn't even break even. I think that was a whole 5-pound bag of potatoes that I put in there. But I didn't anticipate the cold killing the plant like that. I just figured that if the frost didn't hit it, it would be okay. But it wasn't. And you know what? We learned a lesson. We'll back up and punt and try again next year. Guys, y'all have a good one. Appreciate you staying with us.